Hansel and Gretel, like all the best stories, works on two levels, for children, for adults. I've directed it such that there are some jokes which will go over the heads of the 10-year-olds, some which will make the adults absolutely raw. On a personal level, I've had such fun doing this show. Working in an era that was basically my childhood. I grew up in the 70s and 80s, and this is around the setting that the designs for Hansel and Gretel are.
I think anybody who loves a good fairy tale will enjoy Hansel and Gretel. It's very comforting music as well as being singable music. It's a lot of fun from start to finish.
Da ni'n frawd ag yn chwaer, a da ni wedi bod yn chwarae lol ac wedi cael cythral o row gyn mam, a wedi cael yn hel allan i'r goedwig i nôl mwyar duon i swpar. A yn y goedwig, da ni'n taro ar draws y tŷ anhygoel yma, di wneud o fferins. Tŷ rw rach ydy'r tŷ, da chi'n weld o tu nôl i ni rwan. A wedyn, da ni'n cael fewn i dipyn bach o draffath efo'r rach. Ond rhaid chi ddod i weld y sioe i wybod beth sy'n digwydd yn y diwedd.
I'm Rebecca Yvonne-Jones, and I have the pleasure of singing or taking on two roles in Hansel and Gretel. I am playing both the witch and the mother, but you'll be relieved to know that this is the costume for the witch and not for the mother. This is such a lovely occasion for me to start this tour in Theatr Hafren. I grew up on a farm just a few miles away, and I have visited here many times, but I've never performed here. I've come backstage to see colleagues, but it was so lovely arriving yesterday for our first day of technical rehearsals and seeing stage door and going, I'm here!
The music is based on folk song. It's charming, it's tuneful, it's engaging, it's lavishly orchestrated. I've created a reduced orchestration from Humperdinck's original score. We have 13 players in the pit, we have a cast of 8 professional singers, and we also have some children at each of the venue that we go to. I think from the moment that the overture opens, the audience will feel absolutely at ease in their seats, and then from the moment the kids start singing at the top of Act 1, they'll think, oh, we're in for a good evening, this will be great.
We are so excited to be taking this all over Wales. We're starting here in Theatr Hafren, and we're going all the way around Wales and the borders.
It's Mid Wales Opera. We're live and local. We perform right across Wales, rurally, some of the larger theatres, some of the smaller ones. You don't need to get in your car to drive to Cardiff. It's over the hill, and it's glorious.